Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sneho Mano Pranaya Raga Anuraga. Do you understand? The Raga and Anuraga. When it comes to the Anuraga stage, that Anuraga stage, the complexion of Anuraga is Aruna. Color of Anuraga is Aruna. Aruna means rising sun. Do you understand? The color of the rising sun. Aruna Varna. Understand me? That is the color of Anuraga. When it becomes more condensed, more condensed, more condensed, Sneho Mana Pranaya Raga, Anuraga, then comes Bhava. When comes Bhava, when this Mahabhava comes, the color of Mahabhava is Gaura. Color of the Mahabhava is Gaura Varna. Understand me? Then when Madanakhya Mahabhava comes Bhava, Mahabhava, Mahabhava is divisions, Rudha Mahabhava, Dhirudha Mahabhava, Modanakhya, Madanakhya Mahabhava. So Madanakhya Mahabhava, Vrishabhanunandini is daughter of Vrishabhanurada, that means Radharani is Madanakhya Mahabhavamai. The color of Madanakhya Mahabhava is molten gold. Is molten gold. Tattva Kanchana Gaurangi. Therefore Radharani is Tattva Kanchana Gaurangi. Is molten gold. The color. That is the color complexion, natural complexion of Madanakhya Mahabhava. Similarly, Mahaprabhu accepted that mood, that the mood of Radharani. Therefore, his color changed, complexion changed. It is automatic, it is natural. It's natural. Now accept Madanakhya Mahabhava, accept the mood of Radharani, then color naturally changes. Because that is natural color. It cannot be different. Do you understand? So, Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi, Tapta Kanchana Gauranga, Kancha Sunar, therefore said, Kancha Sunar Unga, Jeno Kancha Sunar Dithi. Here it says, Jeno Kancha Sunar Dithi. Child was born, whose form, whose complexion resembled natural glaring gold. Natural glaring gold. Because he has accepted that mood of Radharani. The mood of Radharani is Mahabhavamayi, Madanakhya Mahabhava. That is the complexion, natural complexion, color of Mahabhava, Madanakhya Mahabhava, is molten gold. So that is the complexion. So when one accepts or Krishna accepted that mood of Radharani, automatically the complexion changed. Example is, we give the Acharyas give this example, green mango and ripe mango. Mango is unripe, what's its color? It's green. Isn't it? When it becomes ripened, color changes. Isn't it? It becomes ripened, color changes. What is? Yellow. Green mango, when it becomes ripened, complete ripened, then becomes yellow. Do you understand? So Syam Sundar became Gaura Sundar, and mellow became ripened. When he is Syam Sundar, mellow is unripe. Mellow is unripe, is not ripened. So he is Syam. But when mellow ripened, complete ripened, then complexion changes, becomes Gaura Sundar. The Syam Sundar became Gaura Sundar. Why Syam Sundar became Gaura Sundar? Because in Syam Sundar, mellow is unripe. But in Gaura form, Gaura Sundar, mellow is completely ripened. This is Unnata Ujjvala Sringara Rasa. Unnata Ujjvala Sringara Rasa, unripe state, it is Syam. The ripened state, it is Gaura. Unnata Ujjvala Sringara, ripened state is Gaura. Therefore we say, Syam Sundar may be there, if not Gaura Sundar is there, we won't go there. You understand? Syam Sundar may be there, but if Gaura Sundar is not there, we won't go, because mellow is unripe. We want ripened mellow. Understand? Therefore we say. So Gaudiya Vaishnava temple, this is specific. In Gaudiya Vaishnava temple there is Radha Shyam Sundar is there. But with them Gaura must be there. Otherwise we won't go there. Because mellow is unripe. We want ripened mellow, which is nectarian sweet. That is Gaura. Understand me? So in our Gaudiya Vaishnava temple with Radha Shyam Sundar, Gaurav must be there. That is Gaudiya Vaishnava Siddhanta.